One, morning. Morning. Today is June 5, 2026, and we'll conduct a pre-bid conference for 12 infra projects. Let's start. Engineer Shem, you can see the
The name of the Father, and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, as we begin this day and gather for this activity, we ask for your guidance and wisdom. Help us to work with fairness and understanding toward one another. May our decisions and actions bring good not only to ourselves but also to the people we serve. Bless everyone present with safety, patience, and unity. We also remember our families and loved ones who support us each day. Keep them safe and fill our hearts with gratitude for the opportunity to work and serve. All this we ask through Christ our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. So before we start, Max, will you please meet the participants for today's session? Good night, everyone. Today is June 5, 2026. We have a preview conference for 12 central Friday. As I call your name, please raise your hand. Members, Chairperson Brenda Joyce, Video, President, Vice Chairperson, Public Director,
Present.
Provisional Member Lilian Marie, President Emilio, and Provisional Member Emilio. For the PWC members, Head Teresa Lynn Castro, President, Member Misty Padre, First, Member Shane Tupas, President, Charles Darwin Marine, Member. And for the top Secretariat, Convention, Formaro Head, Lani Manato, Member, Lillian Bata, Turi, and Lisa Pidali Tigers. And for the planning and design representative, Rene Rose and Paul Jarvis. And for the leaders, contractors, representatives, the leading recto, meeting leaders, totally abroad, were president, and leaders. That's all we spend. Here, back set, the majority of the back are present. I declare for so that a preview conference for 12 projects. So, for our homeworks, introduce yourself for the record. Okay, so the county by okay. And welcome to our previous conference. So we have 12 projects. Our first project, 20680026, construction completion of multi-purpose building phase 2, Barangay Amatong, Ujongan, Romblon, with scope of work to construction of multi-purpose building with an approved budget for the contract of 1,980,000, contract duration of 60 calendar days, size range small b, license category C and D, and amount of bidding document is 5,000. Number two, 26380027, construction completion of multi-purpose building, Barangay Libert, Libert, Kahijukan, Romblon. Scope of work is construction of multi-purpose building, approved budget for the contract of 5,940,000. Construction is 150 calendar weeks, size range small b, License category C and D, and amount of bidding document is 10,000. Number three, 26EA0028. Construction completion of multipurpose building, senior citizen barangay, Poblacion, Looc, Romblon. Scope of work, construction of multipurpose building with full budget for the contract of 1,980,000. Contract duration is 60 calendar days. Size range small B. License category C and D, and amount of bidding documents 5,000. Number four, 26E80029. Construction completion of multipurpose building, Barangay Libertad, Pochongan, Romblon. Scope of work is construction of multipurpose building with the approved budget for the contract of 4,950,000 and a contract duration of 120 calendar days. Size range small b, license category C and B, and amount of bidding document is 5,000. Number five, contract ID number 26E80030. Construction completion of multipurpose building, Barangay The Power, Pochongan, Romblon. With the scope of work of construction of multipurpose building. With the approved budget for the contract of 2,970,000. Contract duration 75 calendar days. With the size range of small b and license category of CFP and amount of bidding documents 5,000. Number six, contract ID number 26C80031. Construction of three-story multipurpose building, Esteban M. Madrona Elementary School, Phase 2, Barangay Bakawan, San Agustin, Romblon. Scope of work, construction of multipurpose building with a full budget for the contract 4,950,000 and with the contract duration of 120 calendar days. Size range small b, license category C and D, and amount of document is 5,000. Number seven, contract item number 268032, rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads, certain roads, Togon Pilay, Uchongan Road, kilometer 103 plus 198, kilometer 103 plus 330.7, kilometer 103 plus 338.56 to kilometer 103 plus 362.5. With the scope of work of rehabilitation, reconstruction, and cleaning of paved roads, damaged paved roads. With the approved budget for the contract of 4,463,899 pesos and 63 centavos. Contract duration is 47 calendar days. Size range is small b, license category C and D, and the amount of bidding document is 5,000. Number eight, contract item number 26E80033. Rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads, secondary roads, circumferential road, kilometer 59 plus 040 to kilometer 59 plus 157, and kilometer 59 plus 177, kilometer 59 plus 282. Scope of work is rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads. The approved budget for the contract of 2,271,998 pesos and 49 centavos. Contract duration is 122 calendar days. Size range small b, license category C and D, and the amount of the bidding document is 25,000. Number nine, contract number 26E0034. Rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads, tertiary roads, Loong Tuban-Pilay, Ochongan, Mugloy, kilometer 104 to kilometer 104 plus 392. So with the scope of work, rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads, and approved budget for the contract of 13,741,359 pesos and 33 centavos. The contract duration is 121 calendar days. Size range small b and license category is C and D. Amount of bidding document is also 25,000. Number 10, right number 2016-0035, rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads, secondary roads, plus circumferential road, kilometer 106 plus 305, 352 to kilometer 106 plus 620. Scope of work is rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads, and with the approved budget for the contract of 16,135,699 pesos and 7 centavos. With contract duration of 139 calendar days. Size rate small b, license category C and D, and amount of bidding document is 25,000. Number 11 is 26EH0036, construction of Matri Moho Access Road, Station 00 plus 00 to Station 11 plus 020, Barangay Matri, Loob, Romblon. Scope of work is construction of road. Approved budget for the contract of 47,147,799 pesos and 42 centavos. Contract duration of 164 calendar days. Size range medium A, license category B, and an amount of the document is 50,000. Number 12, the last contract ID number 26AA0037. Construction, upgrading, and rehabilitation of damage along national roads, secondary roads, plus circumferential road, kilometer 24 plus 644 to kilometer 25 plus 593. Scope of work, construction, grading, rehabilitation of image. With the approved budget for the contract of 10,864,279 pesos and 92 centavos. The contract duration of 123 calendar days. Size range of small b and license category C and D, and the amount of bidding document is 25,000. So the Department of Public Works and Highways from Blood District Engineering Office, Johan Romblon, 3 and awards now invite bids for the mentioned contracts. The description of an eligible bidder is contained in the bidding documents, particularly in Section 2. Section 2, Instruction to Bidders. Bidding will be conducted through competitive bidding procedure using a non-discretionary pass or fail criterion as specified in the IRR, otherwise known as the new Government Procurement Act. Bidding is restricted to Filipino citizen sole proprietorships, cooperatives, and partnerships or organizations with at least 60% interest or outstanding capital stock belonging to citizens of the Philippines. So to our interested bidders, you may obtain further information from DPWH from Romblon District Engineering Office, the Johan Romblon, what is the bidding documents at the address stated during working days, Monday to Thursday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders from mid-29, 2026 until 8:45 p.m. of June 17, 2026. From the address stated and upon payment of the applicable fee for the bidding documents pursuant to the latest guideline issued by the PPPB in the amount stated. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement Systems and the website of the procuring entity, provided that bidders shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than the submission of their bids. So the Department of Public Works and Highways from Romblon District Engineering Office, Ochong Romblon, is holding a pre-bid conference now, June 5, 2026. At DPWH Romblon District Engineering Office, main building, third floor. Bids must be duly received by the Bids and Awards Committee Secretariat through manual submission at the address indicated or at the electronic bids.romblon at pwh.gov.ph on or before June 17, 2026 at 9 a.m. Late bid shall not be accepted. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amounts stated and can be closed. Bid opening shall be on June 17, 2026 at 9 a.m. at DPWH Romblon District Engineering Office, main building, third floor, multipurpose hall, Ujongan, Romblon, or via www.youtube.com/dpwh.romblon District Engineering Office. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidders' representatives who choose to attend the activity. So reminders to our prospective bidders, suppliers, and consultants, in compliance to Section 81-1 and Section 82 of the IRR RA 12009, all prospective bidders shall be required to submit a sworn disclosure of relations and beneficial ownership, clearly identifying the natural persons who ultimately own, control, benefit from the bidding entity, whether direct or indirectly, through shareholding, voting rights, contractual arrangements, or means of control. So for corporations, bidders shall attach article of incorporators and general information sheets. The Department of Public Works and Highways from London's Engineering Office of Johan of Florida reserves the right to reject any and all bids, declare a failure of bid, or not award a contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with the Section 17 of RA number 12009 without thereby incurring any liability to the affected bidder or bidder. So for further information, please refer to Engineer Blender Director Emilio, our back person, required to Public Works and Highways from London District Engineering of Pilisa Street, Tabindagat, Ujongan, Romblon, who numbers 4272317 and the email address of non-bankgmail.com. Or you may also contact Engineer Gretchen D. Fermalo, the head back secretariat of the DPWH from Blanc District Engineering Office, telephone number 042-67317, and the email address of fermalo.gretchen@dpwh.gov.ph. You may also visit the website for downloading of the bidding documents, www.w.gov.ph, and for online or electronic bid submission, www.projects.gov.ph. And to present now the checklist for our technical and financial documents, Ma'am Mildred.
Good morning. These are the documents to be included in the envelope for your bidding for our technical proposal. This will include bid security in the prescribed form, amount, and validity period. Bid securing in prescribed form, amount, and validity. Number three, eligibility requirements under Section 23.1 of the IRR, electronic evaluation using CWR. Number four, project requirements, which shall include the following: organizational chart, list of contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract with their complete qualification data, list of contractors, major equipment unit owned, list and or under purchase agreement um, supported by proof of ownership, lease, purchase, and certification of availability of equipment from lessor vendor for the duration of the project. Number five, omnibus statement in the form of prescribed by GPPB. And number six, accredited contractors and consultant project engineer. Please be reminded that any missing, incomplete, or patently insufficient document in the above-mentioned checklist is a ground for outright rejection of the bid. For our financial proposal, this must include the bid form, bid prices in the bill of quantities, detailed estimates including summary sheet indicating the unit prices of construction materials and labor rates and equipment rentals used in coming with the bid. And lastly, the quarterly monthly cash flow payment schedule. Again, any missing, incomplete, or patently insufficient document in the above mentioned checklist is a ground for outright rejection of the bid.
That's all, Ma'am Bing. So thank you, Ma'am Bing. Additional also for the checklist of the technical and financial. So reminder to our prospective bidders, kindly disclose all your ongoing and awarded but not yet started contracts, including the DPWH and other government and private contracts. So failure to submit and declare any ongoing and awarded but not yet started contracts can be a ground for disqualification. Also, we would like to inform our prospective bidders that we will conduct site inspection as part of our post qualification process. So we will check your equipment, testing apparatus also, and we invite also to our prospective bidders to please update your field chips and your registry, the tractor registry. And to have a brief review of our plans so far at PBC, we have here the representative from the planning design section, Engineer Alubo and Engineer Mijares for the scope of work of the projects. Finally,
Total ID 26CH0026, project name construction completion of multi-course building phase 2 Barangay Market, John. Scope of works is right side fence, tapos I think unang parang sa existing building sa Barangay Hall, painting of existing nature and right and side fence. Plastic works at right side fence. Painting steel for gate and track for right side fence. Transparency are sa Barangay Hall po. And railing for gate and fence. Tapos may katapos slab para sa cover courts.
slab on floor.
Haba. Contract ID 26DH0027 construction completion of multiple building Barangay Pupayun.
Complete track.
Scope of work is slab on field of cover court, stage with male and female comfort room, picture right and left, and also basketball goal, complete history.
Basketball, yung
Having
Tapos mo gawin po ang plant and
Plan to do.
How plan and Lupa.
Sorry. Opinion. Contact ID 2068 Right in the stock application of all four buildings in the barangay poblacion of Loob of God. Included po sa program is cabinet na at the two office serving the detail with cabinet. Creation of existing there is a perimeter building. One second. Prepare of existing diamond pictures including leaks and comfort rooms. Replace damaged roof, repair of existing outdoor, the repainting of existing steel windows and all outdoor, repainting of whole building in and out, replacement of repairing the floor that second floor, uh, two, 1 inch street light, two, two 1 inch window that inverter and two three color floor mounted inverter. Contract ID 2060H0029, project name construction station of multi-purpose building, Barangay Libertad, Odjongan, Lukloy. Scope of work is uh, ground flooring works of ground floor is so ceiling, blades and blades and tiles, uh, blade tiles and beams, and blades, painting works, decorating stone, and for other extent. For second floor, remaining work, uh, plumbing, fixtures, ceiling, aluminum door, aluminum glass window, uh, door, base tiles and drains and base tiles, cement plaster, painting works of steel, for it, for exit, for exit ladder, decorating stone, painting doors for employees, 6B, perimeter of second floor, railings, also included is transformer and silicon free.
So thank you. For the contract 2016H0030, which is construction completion of multi-purpose building Barangay Tapawan, Pagtungan, Luzon. This is a completion of covered court with the scope of work is concrete stage and meron din po itong portable stage, current picture, at saka fence po. With a complete approved land and pound. For the project 26 years 31, which is construction of three-story multi-purpose building, Esteban Luna Elementary School, Phase 2, Barangay Bakawan, San Agustin, Romblon. The scope of work is it is a completion of three-story 9CL, which is it included the steel bridge with roofing, wall tiles for toilet at third floor, floor tiles for classroom at ground floor, and plumbing works with aircon, overhead tank, and horizontal and vertical pump. With a complete plan and power, approved plan and power.
engineer a logo and engineer design. And going on to our next project, 2016 is still 32 to 2016 is still 37 for the review of the plans of and Pao engineer today.
For 2016, still 32, communication, the construction of radio van tertiary roads, law of Powell to Live, Johan, kilometer 103 plus 190, kilometer 103 plus 230.70, and kilometer 103 plus 338.56 to kilometer 103 plus 362.5. Location in Tablas Island, Romblon, specifically in Logo, Romblon. The approved budget for the contract, the detailed engineering design plan, and the program of work are already applicable. For 2068, 033, rehabilitation, reconstruction of really of damaged paved roads, secondary roads, Tablas Conferential Road, kilometer 59.4, kilometer 59 plus 157, and kilometer 59 plus 177 to kilometer 59 plus 280. The Blush Island Roads, located specifically in San Agustin, Rondon, with contract duration of 122 calendar days. The approved budget for the contract, program of work, and the detailed engineering plan should be ready. For 2016, 0034, rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged roads, Tertiary Road, Law of Poverty Line, Adjaman Road, kilometer 104 to kilometer 104 plus 392, Tablas Island, Romblon, specifically in Looc, Romblon, with contract duration of 121 calendar days. The program of works, detailed unit price analysis, and the design, detailed engineering design plans are already approved. Contract ID 26AH 0035, rehabilitation, reconstruction, upgrading of damaged paved roads, secondary roads, Tablas Circumferential Road, kilometer 106 plus 392 to kilometer 106 plus 620, Tablas Island, Romblon, specifically in Law of Romblon, with contract duration of 139 calendar days. The program of works, approved budget for the contract, and detailed engineering design plans are already. For contract ID 2068-0036, construction of Manti, Lugoho Access Road, Station 0 plus Station 2, Station 1 plus 020, Barangay. The contract duration for the project is 164 calendar days. The program of work, approved budget for the contract, and the detailed design plan is already up. Lastly, for 2016 each to the 37, construction, upgrading, rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Tablas Circumferential Road, kilometer 24 plus 644 to kilometer 25 plus 593, Tablas Island, Romblon, specifically in San Andres, Romblon. The contract duration, with contract duration of 123 calendar days, the program of works, approved budget for the contract, and the detailed engineering design plans are already approved. That's it.
Thank you, Engineer Pero. So, ready na po ang ating mga plans to pa and ABC. So, they're all approved and signed. So, for the information lang po pala ng everyone, hindi ko na mention kanina, hindi po tayo naka-live ngayon kasi nagkaroon ng malfunction yung ating connection. So, naka-record lang tayo ngayon. But anyway, is there any question po from our prospective leaders from the side of our leaders representative? So, yes. Yung mga different mga countries, pero lang yung kasi ba taas o yung pa or ano ba yung kalagay ko? Pero po. Kasi ang mangyayari, ang lahat since ang community is hindi naman truly na kumbaga believe ka physically committed na ka kung hindi man po siya nangyayari yung sa mas na bukas na bukas okay. Yes.
Agency sa
COC baka na kailangan present. Yes, sa COC din. Well, ito, outdoor system. That's why that is mas natin yung tao. Ay, so what? Hindi yung report sa PCM nila. Kalahin ko kasi kayo lang kayo rin. But project engineer, na committed na yung project sa akin wala may dito sa mga. So, yung kailangan talaga yung work. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning.
regarding po sa pag-schedule, if they requirement patient, uh, pero ang business safety is pababa. Ano po ang consideration?
Anong kategory ko?
Uh,
Small B?
Small.
ano yung community
Percent.
doon na may hindi natakas dito. I like
At least 50%.
50% of the ACC pa since small B. Pero kung medyo yes,
we got this is was
wait lang.
face.
Anong kategory? Medium A.
Major service and master.
Sino?
Alam ko small B.
Hmm?
50.
50 pa rin.
Enemy.
Sorry, 800. We didn't think about it.
Hindi ako makabiyuhan ng sky. Ano sabi sa kodigo mo, Ma'am Ters?
Ano category pa yung purchaser? Small?
Medium A.
Ano blue?
Tama, sir. Ang question nyo ay under medium A. Category.
Medium A. Medium A. Super perfect. 50.
Why not KB?
50 ka. Ang under hindi naman siya nabago. So, ganun pa rin. Sa ano po, kung sa ano po, sa na po, yung seminar kami, Ma'am Ters, 50 pa rin, di ba? Pero, mas magiging dito. Kaya niya na yan. Basa nga eh. Siya basa. Babasahin lang namin, sir, yung nakalagay sa RA 1209 regarding ano, sige lang. As per section 52.4, one that ang sisi daw po ay sabi ko dito, mas there is 50% lang. Sabi po, the current energy dependence is it is designed to allow the different SLCC requirement to ensure the ruler be their participation. While establishing their technical capacity, it may allow readers to present a combination of contracts completed within the same period, provided the total value is at least 50% of the age. The difference is have completed at least one similar contract amounting to at least 22% of the age, and the difference in have completed other contracts, the revenues average amount of at least 25%. So, meron na rin completely nagtangga ng additional walang may insight. Walang may nabanggit ko. I think na 2 years. 10 years. Pag-goods yun, ma'am. Pag-goods yun? Pag-goods po. Within the 10 years completed. Pero ang alam ko po pa sa iba, kami na po, may action timeline, time frame na wala.
So goods po yun, ma'am, yung EOM sa atin for goods lang yun.
For goods lang siya, was it. Pero pag isa po, yun naman.
Pero i-evaluate pa rin namin, i-review pa rin namin po. Pero sa ngayon po, wala po. Goods po yung may 10 years.
This is naman yung hindi po in the exam. Yung sa goods naman. Pero sa goods lang.
Pero explanation natin, hey, goods only, order ni auditor, ni-review na yan na. Accepted niya na goods lang.
Yung wala pa rin feeling. So, yes, sir. Anong question? Yes. Yes, so, yes po, kasama na po yun doon sa, yes po, for the, may ano lang yun, may, stop, hindi ko yun, hindi ko, kasi po yun, sir. It's a department of the order of the office. Namanap po lang yung dito na yun. One turn by 2024. research niya mo, usually that was the work. Wow.
Search na di 110.
Yes, for I'm sorry, makatanay.
Yung highlight lang, ma'am.
Yes,
Yung for medium aid contractors, the requirement became effective January 1, 2026.
yes.
Yung ano niya amount. Wait lang, ma'am.
DO-110 series of
2024.
2024. Sir, DO-110, DO-110 series of 2024.
30 million AIC with staggered amount. 30 million above. Large A January, effective January 1, 2025. Medium B July 1, 2025. Medium A January 1, 2026.
Kung meron guys na ang ano na rin, nasa registry na rin. Okay. Okay naman, nakikita na. Opo. Sir,
What? Ay, is technical, technical requirements siya.
Next up, medical requirements. Very nice. Since this is the purposes for
Okay. 30 million below, hindi ka.
wala to 1 week. Good, sir. That's good. The parents said, we now want to see the it's plan your this mention before sa ko na at mga NCC at clearances ay okay na po. Na-apply so with the building, I was part of the contract na.
Minutes.
Kaya, may madadaan na din. Bakit?
Yes, marami yun. No?
Sa prospective leaders, yung projects natin ay yung location ay gusto din ninyo i-set. Dami po kayo mag-intend. Pa, sila according to the right way, hindi po part ng DP yung pag-acquire. Nasa ano po siya, sa national road, sa Marshall Road. Kung sa akin, mas parang mag-acquire doon budget sa pag-acquire road. So kung magdagdag ang problema sa wala akong budget para now. So plan. Nagawa ko ng planning, kami naman po sila, may coordination sila with the local, nagkakandak
Chief.
ng starting niya. So, okay, naman po tayo.
Hindi po kapag yan. Just project ni
No,
Sago.
yeah.
Punta ka po. Yung ano ata, zero eh.
From
Parang national pababa. Dito ba?
Teka lang. One for subjects for other programs where you need to
Then,
Yes.
Maybe.
Si DNR po ang nag-identify.
DNR.
Okay. Pero sila po nag-identify.
Public land dapat.
Ni, pinili natin DNR regarding dyan. Pa minutes. Pakicek niyo sa lupa niya kung may labor. Program for. Ay, tama lang. Seedlings na parang amount. Ha?
Hindi na daw nito.
Wala. Terminate naman. Termination. As to the sino mahirap man 75,000 para
Talaga yan. Wala din kayo sa price yun.
Attain na
Regarding po sa inquiry, about doon po at gagawin kasi please mag-request ng open dialogue sa DNR kasi question din namin yan eh. May mga project din kami, yung mga project din kami previously, kaso lang hindi natuloy ang seedlings nga kasi ma-determinate yung project. Pero ngayon kasi prior sa implementation, kailangan i-clear din namin. Pero dito sa PAW po, parang sa price lang, sa PAW kasi, sa presyo ang tingnan namin, parang seedlings lang. Pero double check po namin. Sa planning representative. Sa price, seedlings lang. Po. So that's my seedlings. Or end.
Pag-ring tayo, what are you saying?
Po. I-inquire sa DNR, bali mag-set na lang kami ng time para open dialogue sila. Oh. Mhm. Mayroon. Hmm. So may maintenance pa yun. 250. Hmm. Sayang din yung sibling. Kung naman mo ko sabi nila ng city, sabi, letter tayo sa DNR. Planning. Sana nga ganun, para sila mag-maintenance din. Kung siblings lang ang ating cost. Ang alam ko pag may cutting of is kailangan may panagdas. Pero lahat ng magkakaroon ng cutting of trees kailangan may panagla kada roll. Pero agad yun. Kasi hindi o nga. Parang lahat. 611? Yes. Sa item description mo, yung siblings of ano third? Siblings, saplings for other programs. Siblings for other programs. Baka yung programs sa yun sa DNR at triplanting. Siblings tayo. Yes. Yung siguro, pag yung survey na 4,000 plus unit cost, so yan ang isang tres. Ano, kay June. Kay June, yung ating okay. Yung mga pagkawa na tinanim natin, cleaner. I-check pa namin ha, pag sakaling man nagkaroon ng reconstruction. Sasama sa sagot na. Any more question from our custodian? Good morning sa ating newcomers. And sorry sir, pa-introduce ko muna for the record. Okay. Proceed sir sa question. Proceed sir. It's only in the indicative plan. Ilog, pero type nyo na lang po doon sir sa BDS. Section 40, may minsan naglalagay requirement for budget plan. Pero yung major, so namin masabi mga project na 30 million lang. Nasa ano mo, the BDS na answer. Sir, page, like the survey, yan, sabihin document. Nagpagayot po nitong role sa 16M, meron po siya sa BDS na concrete bunch.
requirement.
So pwede na natin screen as with again. Kaya na, with ang paano po ba mag ito na lahat ng kontak or pagkakitan? Okay na pag sa isang pagkakan.
Purpose of ano,
Ito lang naman mananalo sa inyo eh.
course
Isa lang yun talaga.
kasi dito po ang pag-focus natin bilang talagang talaga.
Nagkatanong po kasi, parang magkakatanong po siya kasi pag marami na ang nakalist doon sa later part, baka doon yung maapektuhan yung huli.
Kaya
Kasi pag nag-simultaneous po yun na maraming project, tapos yung huli ginamit pa rin siya na doon pa rin nag-list, tapos impossible na siya, parang imposible na niya cater lahat. Baka doon po magkakaroon ng conflict finding. At sana po sa implementation ay ganun din. Sa implementation, sana makita din namin.
Actually, ba dadagdag ko siya namin. Yes. Fine, like that.
Hindi ko ba siya na? Gusto may kumanda dito niyo?
Volumetric yun, batching plan.
So yung mind, awards. Grand produce yung awards. Part of the post cooperate. Part of magazine.
Eh, why not nga mag-ano kayo ng batching plan? Kasi kung long term pa naman ang path nyo mag-business sa DPWH, di procure kayo ng batching plan. Yun na lang po talaga. Depende sa capacity din. Marami.
Sa point ni Mark.
Hindi naman po. Sources kayo, meron din ganyan. At ang pa, pero wala naman sila
Dun na yun. So, wala lang ka pwede.
Anong grade ba kailangan? 7?
6.
Oh, pero din natin. Mas. Reading na lang. Ikaw like
Hmm?
school.
Hindi ako nag-apply sa lakit niya.
Dapat kayo talaga. Hindi ka lang ako ngayon. Ano daw itong
Sabi naman, ikaw na lang talaga na.
Yung may there's
may natulog yan.
For sabi ko na buti alam ko sa packet. Mana ibibigay kay maganda yung or na
Mga sabi pa. Sino parang so, tayo na tayo parang
lahat. Sa yeah, hindi ko sila sabi
video ko. That's and she but it's
yeah,
very well yeah.
kahit nga intelligent.
Ngayon, 4 million lang. Ano? Kasi nakalagay dito per difference from ordinance 142. Ano talaga nakalagay doon sa mga
I-check lang din natin ma'am kasi yung system niya meron na eh. Yung system niya meron. Depende siguro kasi kung building but i-require.
basta road meron daw. Wala pang clear na guideline. Ano pa talaga? Ano require ng budget ka? Hindi na talaga yun. Ano nakalagay dito sa DO natin? Baka may bagay na ito. Bakit nakalagay ito? DO 142, series of 2017. Ito pa rin sa ating ano?
question pa po sa ating Question, members.
Uh,
Lang talaga yung
Hindi hindi sa infra hindi. Hindi naman pala, wala.
Sir, doon sa ano naman sa hands para plus
Iba yan, Ma'am Lee. Iba yan yung kami
sir, lamang
Sige. Sa plan niyo lang po, sa plan niyo lang po talaga masi-check, sir. Sa plan.
Pero kung may mga tanong kayo, sir, regarding doon sa emissions ng title na yun, pwede naman po refer po sa bank. Para mas certify nyo kayo yung patamang ano yung limit siya for detail or yes, sir.
The latest thing. Dati.
Mas makinig sila yung namin. Super power. Kaya akala mo na naman yung state doon. Kasi meron po may perfect na sa water. Standard system na sila na parang yung new shade na namin. So, input for input sa planning. Action lang
Sa implementation na po siguro, sir. Kasi authorized naman si PE at i-grant ang variation order po. May mga nangyayari. Sa hindi na. Yung correctional invention. Verify po sa sir na lahat yung mga lot na ay kulay na sa yun nga yung pinapaliwanag namin kay sir na pag electrical, so naka-color coding din kayo. Kung ano, pakitaan niya sample ng plan. Sige pa. Pakitaan niya ng sample ng plan. Sample lang. Kung saan yung nakakulay niyo, kung nakaspecify ba lahat. Para sunod pinag-detail kayo sa plan. Sa contract ng bawang. Part ba ng videos? Part ng videos. Part lang. Kita lang eh. Parts lang. And lang nila kung magkano yun lang. Ang sila sa loob. Saan yung nakakulay? Dapat ang kulay niyo ay detailed talaga yung ano, talaga eh. Yung kita niyo sila sir yung kulay.
Pero kung yan ay yung sa kulay gray.
Yes, ang example sa trigger naman. Kita niyo kay sir. Covered for sige.
Yan ang open door. Libertad. Ito na. May meaning mo po dyan.
Pakipakitan.
Ang
Di yan ma-figure kapag
ito yung mga included ko. So, mag-focus po tayo dito. Ayan po, yan. Paano pag may conflict ang ito nodes sa plan? Mas marami ang quantity sa node.
minsan kasi general ang notes eh.
Kaya ito, pag ganun po, so, mag-update yung plan mo. Ay, doon po quantity ang sa nodes, pero sa plan, decrease na lang.
Yung notes po nung deliver yung sir.
So, saan nila lagay yung sa plan? Siya, dalawa mo lang standard na ba? Pero ang notes yung bila. Ito ang dalawa. Ito na. Second floor. Ano po?
Isang set. Kalbig isa po. Second set.
So, yung lalay ko lang. Nakuha ko yan.
Meron po dito sa dito. Nasa ground.
So, yung barrel is
Sinong mag-raise ng question sa plan? Sir, sa pwede sir, query sir sa back. Si escort kayo sa concerned person para maato po yun, ma-clarify. Sa second problem. Sila din kayo sir expert sa paggawa nito sir. Ano na lang engineer Paul. Liwanag sa kanila.
During implementation naman, ma'am, guide naman ng project engineering yung
Kailangan kasi nila sa pricing.
program work.
Kailangan din nila kasi sa pricing.
Pero,
O sige.
work
Hindi okay na kapag nila. Ang alam ko di okay. Forward. Sa plan na na. Laro na sa plan. Ang alam ko di okay lang binibigay. Di okay ba? Kasama yung power. Silang reference.
Pero sa implementation, ma'am, ang sinusunod natin is yung kanilang natin.
Opo. Ang concern nila kasi sa pricing, kung sila ba ay profitable or hindi, kukunin ba nila o hindi, magbibid ba sila. Kaya kailangan nila anticipate lahat ng ng details of
Hindi nire-release ko yung sa scope of work sa lump sum
hindi natin masagot. Tama yung sa kanya, dapat ito yung time. Kaya dapat pinapapakawal nila dito, expert dito mismo.
Ba't may konting doon sa
Kaya sa sunod, very detailed na itong mga ganito.
Nakaalis ko kasi 2 floors yung sa ground floor, may naka-donation mo, may air condition. Tapos, second floor, only pero sa third
Pero wala.
one
Yung sa ating ulit.
so, parang dalawang aircon lang.
Tama. Hindi nga naman yun.
Kano siya sa mga lang count po mo, based na lang sa plan, hindi doon sa
Bakit nga
Eh, kailan nila ng hindi okay lang yun. Pero
former ba?
clear sa kanila ngayon.
pinag-iwas kasi tama mo sila.
Kailangan i-clear ngayon sa kanila. Hindi pa natin sa implementation, baka ipa-implement namin ganito.
Discuss nila po si yung mga queries niya muna.
Kung may mga friends mo rin po kayo, pwede din yung i-approach yung ating planning and planning. Ngayon, sir.
Ngayon, sir. Para detailed po yung mga
Sige po. Pwede po mag-picture. So, sabihin question pa? Wala na? So, kung wala na pong tanong, so ating pre-bid conference is now adjourned. Thank you so much, ating mga respective leaders na nag-attend sa ating
Paiwan mo
PWG. Thank you.
Hindi